Hey everyone, this is Chirag. Behind the camera is my wife Anusha. हमने सोचा कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं. We have this love for board games and card games. Over time हमने एक अच्छा कलेक्शन भी बना रखा है यहाँ पे, and we'll keep on building on that as well. So what we'll basically do is we'll help you understand different board games, card games, उनके rules. Along with that हम ये भी बताएंगे कि हमें वो गेम्स क्यों पसंद है, हम वो क्यों लेके आए, उनकी बैक स्टोरी क्या है. विल ट्राई कि हर वीक हम एक ऐसा नया एपिसोड निकालें जिसमें हम एक अलग गेम की बात कर रहे हैं. To start with, for today's episode, we'll talk about a very fun, very simple card game called Flip 7. This is the game, and I'll help you understand इसके क्या rules है. So this is what it looks like. It's just a deck of cards. यहाँ पे बेसिक रूल ये है कि तुम्हें सेम नंबर वापस दोबारा नहीं आना चाहिए. There are numbers from 0 to 12. There are 12 cards of 12, 11 cards of 11, 10 cards of 10, similarly 1 card of 1, 2 cards of 2 and so on. Same number दोबारा नहीं आना चाहिए. You get the same number again, it's a bust for you, which is a total score of 0, right? Total sum होता है numbers का. For example, if this is how it is being played, currently it's between me and Anusha. ये 2+ player game है. Ideally 3 लोगों में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, but you can play it in 2 player as well. So we'll keep on opening the cards. This is how it is. Anusha has a 2 and a 4. I have a 9 and I got a 9 again. So it's 0 for me. For Anusha, her score is 6. So हर round में ऐसे score add करते रहना है, and the one who gets to 200 first wins. The twist is we have a few additional cards here as well, जो कह लो कि वाइल्ड कार्ड्स है और सम एक्शन कार्ड्स हैं. वी हैव सम प्लस कार्ड्स, +2, +4, +6, +8, +10. पूरे डेक में ये नहीं है. एंड वी हैव *2 एज वेल. दीज आर दी ओनली प्लस और *2 कार्ड्स अवेलेबल इन द डेक. टोटल 6 होता है ऐसे. बेसिकली जो भी तुम्हारा सम है उसमें वो प्लस हो जाएगा. इफ यू गेट *2, सम का टोटल का *2 हो जाएगा. Along with that, we have 3 different kinds of action cards as well. Flip 3, second chance and freeze. Flip 3 में you can ask the other player or even yourself to draw 3 cards simultaneously. Second chance में it's basically a life for you if you have a second chance. अगर 2 consecutive number आ जाते हैं, मतलब I mean the same number आ जाते हैं, तो you are saved. Freeze में you can freeze any other player ताकि वो और cards नहीं उठा पाए. So that's what the game is. There will be 3 freezes, 3 second chances and 3 flip 3s in the entire deck. उसके अलावा ये सारे numbers हैं. What we'll do is we'll also shuffle the entire deck. हम एक short game भी खेल के दिखा देंगे यहाँ पे how it is done. So हम एक round खेल के यहाँ पे दिखा देते हैं how it is played. Anyone can start. हर round में the next person in the clockwise direction will start. अभी हम अनुषा से start करेंगे. So she'll get the first card which is a 6. For me it's a 9 and Anusha will say hit now, which is 11. I'll say hit. मेरा 7 आया है. This will keep on adding up. So it's Anusha's choice whether she wants to hit or whether she wants to stop. Anusha, what do you say?
Hit.
Nice. I'll also take a hit. Anusha?
Hit.
I'll take a hit.
Hit again.
The thing is, if you get 7 different numbers, you get an additional +15 points. लेकिन वो होने के चांस कम है. It's a high risk high reward too. So I'll also take a hit. And unluckily, क्योंकि मेरे पास अब 2 6 आ गए हैं, I'm busted. It's a 0 for me. Now Anusha can choose to get more cards और वो चाहे तो अभी stop कर सकती है. She'll get the total of the sum of these numbers. Ideally इस situation में it will be very risky to get an additional card. So क्योंकि मैं 0 पे हूँ और उसका sum काफ़ी ज़्यादा होगा, for her it would make sense to stop here itself. Anusha, what do you suggest?
Stop.
Great. So we'll take a total of this and that would be the sum of points for Anusha's this round. तो लास्ट राउंड के कार्ड्स हम डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे एंड जो अवेलेबल डेक है उसमें से अभी खेलेंगे. जब ये पूरा एग्जॉस्ट हो जाएगा तो डिस्कार्डेड कार्ड्स भी पाइल में आके शफल हो जाएंगे एंड वी कैन यूज देम अगेन. I'll pick the first card now since last round में अनुषा ने पहला कार्ड पिक किया था clockwise direction में and the next person. So I'll take the first one which is an action card by the way, Flip 3. इसमें ये basically ये होता है I can choose myself or Anusha to pick 3 simultaneous cards. इस केस में I'll choose myself क्योंकि और कार्ड मेरे पास अभी कोई है नहीं. There will be really low risk of getting the same card twice. So I'll take 3 cards. The first one that I'm getting is a second chance, which is another action card and additional life if you may. उसके बाद again a good card into 2. मेरे total का into 2 हो जाएगा. The third card I'm getting is a 12. Currently I'm at 12 into 2, which is 24. Now it's Anusha's turn. She's getting a 10. I have a 3. And since I have a second chance, मैं बेफिक्र होके और पत्ते उठा सकता हूँ क्योंकि अगर मेरे पास 12 या 3 फिर से आ गया, a second chance will save me. So it's Anusha's turn. She gets a freeze. Now she can freeze either me or herself. Ideally, of course, she'll freeze me ताकि मेरा स्कोर ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़े. I'll be frozen. Second chance से नहीं बच सकता अब इसमें मैं because वो सिर्फ numbers duplicate होने पे काम आता है. So now my score total is 12 plus 3, which is 15 into 2, 30. 30 is my total. Anusha can still play and she'll try to beat my total. So Anusha, I'll flip for you. Unfortunately, Anusha का फिर से एक और 10 आ गया. She's at 0. My total is 30. इस राउंड का पिछले राउंड का हम सम लेंगे and this continues for multiple rounds. And जो सबसे पहले 200 पे पहुंचेगा, that person wins. So that's Flip 7 for you. It's a really fun game to play when there are multiple people involved, especially 3, 4, 5 लोग में काफ़ी मज़ा आ जाता है. So as a back story, ये गेम मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने गिफ्ट में दिया था and it is one of the latest games I have and it's very fun to play with, quite easy to understand. Friends, family किसी के भी साथ खेल सकते हैं with a group of people. This is something that I would recommend 10 on 10. You'll easily find it on Amazon and other marketplaces. So yeah, that's what this game is. Meanwhile, I'll also show you the collection I have, just a short summary of what games I have. I have a lot of strategy-based games, a lot of luck-based games, and a combination of both as well. You'll find these here. A few of my favorites here are Secret Hitler, Catan, Ticket to Ride, Camel Up. I'll keep on introducing these games in upcoming episodes. जैसे जैसे नए episodes आएंगे, the games will also get a bit complicated. But bear with me, I'll do my best to help them get to you. Thanks a lot.